Google just released two big AI updates inside Chrome. Google Lens AI and the brand new Chat with Gemini inside the address bar. With Google Lens, you can easily search anything on your screen, whether it's identifying objects, either in an image or a video, translating text, or finding where to buy a product you see. So I'll show you how to use Google Lens inside Chrome. Plus, we'll walk through how to use Google Gemini inside the address bar for fast, intuitive, and helpful conversations from right inside the address bar. Righto, so if you go to What's New in Google Chrome, you'll see this page here where we've got two main updates. First is to search anything you see on any page with Google Lens, and further down, Chat with Gemini from the address bar. So let's kick it off first with Google Lens AI. You can see here, Google gives us a little description of what we can expect with this feature. Gives you directions, so you can either come up to the menu bar up the top here, come down and search with Google Lens, or easier, we can come up the top here and click Google Lens, and in a moment I'll show you how you can pin this for even easier access. And we can select anything on the page by clicking and dragging, just like in this demo photo here. And then later we can refine the answers. So let's go ahead with a search straight away. So we've got some photos of botanical gardens here. Maybe I want to open this one up and find out what this plant is. So I'd come up the top here and click search with Google Lens. It's going to come up saying that a screenshot of the page will be sent to Google. So click continue. So we'll come up the top, click Google Lens, and say I want to identify what this plant is. Just by hovering over here, it's going to actually work out that it's an object, or I can click and drag. And it's going to come up with a search result of what type of plant it is, and this is called an agavaville. Very nice. What about this one here? Some kind of maybe palm tree. I can also add to the search by saying, where would I find this tree? And it comes up with a Wikipedia page, which I'm sure is going to give me a result on where I might find it. There you go, there's the answer. Here I've done a search for camera gear and I want to find out where else I might be able to get, say, one of these. And that's going to bring up other results of GorillaPods on the internet, so I don't have to type it in. I can just search the image and find where I can buy that. From here I told you about how you can pin this icon. So I'll press the pin button and now I can use Google Lens from the toolbar here. Another great application for using Google Lens is, let's say I'm watching a YouTube video and I see a product inside the video that I want to buy. I can easily just pause the video, click Google Lens, and then highlight this object here, and bang, it's going to come up and show me where I can buy this particular light. So this is a super powerful tool, and I absolutely love that it's included inside Google Chrome on the computer. Moving on to Chat with Gemini inside the address bar. That's right, here's a little sample of it. So you can quickly get help from Gemini inside the address bar by typing in @ and then clicking chat. Let's see how that works. So come up the top here, type @ and then you can select Gemini, and you can see at the top we're now in a chat with Gemini. So how about, give me 10 title ideas for a YouTube video on Google AI updates inside Chrome. Hit enter on that. And it takes us straight over to Gemini. We've got our 10 titles, including short and snappy, intriguing and click-worthy, focused on specific updates, and then I can continue the chat from there. So write me a 100-word intro that I can use for the start of the video. Boom, there we have the intro. Create a YouTube thumbnail for this YouTube video. Let's see what it comes up with for this. I'm not expecting anything amazing. However, sometimes I can use this as a prompt and take inspiration from what comes up. So there's a couple of options from these top two here, GAI and maybe a phone with AI with the sort of Google colors behind it. And that's how easy it is to access Google Gemini AI from the address bar inside Chrome. And I'm really enjoying the free use of Gemini. It's got all the power that you need, including access to the internet up to today's date. You get the AI image generator built in. It basically works just like ChatGPT, but it's free, as opposed to ChatGPT Plus, where it has a lot more paid features that if you want to use, you need to pay for. I haven't yet found a way to pin a Gemini button here similar to with the Google Lens, but I do have a hot link for Gemini added to my favorites bar, which is currently hidden. Watch this video here to see the top 5 best free AI apps for your phone. Also subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.